Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on upgrading the M.2 SSD in your Lenovo Yoga 7115 IKB. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static damage. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the 10 Phillips screws. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be cautious not to damage any clips. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the M.2 SSD, which is typically situated near the battery. Before proceeding, it's wise to clean the area with compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This ensures optimal performance and longevity of your new SSD. Now, to remove the existing M.2 SSD, unscrew the single screw holding it in place. Gently pull the SSD out at a 30-degree angle. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have the support you need. Next, take your new M.2 SSD and align it with the slot. Insert it at the same 30-degree angle and press down gently until it clicks into place. Secure it with the screw you previously removed. If you're unsure about the compatibility of your new SSD, feel free to reach out for a quote before repair. Once the new SSD is installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back cover back on, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the 10 Phillips screws, tightening them securely but not overly so to avoid damaging the casing. Before powering on your device, it's advisable to perform a final check. Ensure that all screws are in place and that there are no loose components. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. Now, power on your Lenovo Yoga 72015 IKB. You may need to enter the BIOS to ensure that the new SSD is recognized. To do this, press the appropriate key during startup, usually F2 or delete. Once in the BIOS, navigate to the storage section to confirm that your new SSD appears. If it does, you're all set to install your operating system or restore from a backup. In conclusion, upgrading your M.2 SSD can significantly enhance your laptop's performance. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Remember, we provide no calls, no travel service, making it easy for you to get your device back in top shape. Thank you for following this guide and enjoy your upgraded Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.